In today's video, I will walk you through how to upload images in Replit. Start by opening the project where you want to add your images. Make sure you're working in the correct Replit workspace because the images you upload will be stored with that specific project. It also helps to have your project files visible so you can easily confirm where the uploaded images are placed. Next, open the Files pane by clicking its icon at the top right of the interface. This is where you'll see all of the folders and files that belong to your project. If you're using a smaller window and you don't immediately see the Files pane, look for the folder icon near the top right and click it to expand the panel. Once it's open, you'll be able to view your current project structure along with any existing files and folders. With the Files pane open, look toward the top right of that panel and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional file options. From the available choices, select Upload Folder. This option lets you upload an entire folder instead of adding individual files one at a time. After selecting Upload Folder, choose the folder on your computer that contains the images you want to use. Then confirm the upload. Replit will begin importing the folder into your project. Depending on the number of images and the overall folder size, the upload may take a few moments to complete. During the upload, the folder structure and file names are preserved. Keep your file names simple and consistent, and use common image formats such as PNG or JPG. When the upload is finished, you'll see the folder appear in the Files pane. Expand the folder to browse through its contents and confirm that all of your images have been uploaded successfully. If you want to check a specific image, click on it and Replit will display a preview in the editor so you can verify that it's the correct file. Take a moment to look at the folder path shown in the Files pane. This is the path your code will use when referencing your images, so make sure you note the exact folder and file names as they appear. That's all there is to it. You've uploaded your images into your Replit project by opening the Files pane, selecting the three-dot menu, choosing Upload Folder, and importing the folder from your computer. If the folder or images don't appear immediately after the upload, simply wait a moment for everything to finish syncing. Then check the Files pane again to confirm that all of your images are available. Thank you for watching.